In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a photo into text using Canva. It's a quick and creative technique you can use to elevate your designs for social media, professional presentations, or just for fun. First, if you're not familiar with Canva, it's a popular online graphic design tool that allows anyone from beginners to professionals to create stunning visuals with ease. So let's dive right in. To start, open Canva and either create a new project or open an existing one. Once your workspace is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice several options there. We're going to start by clicking on Elements. This section is key because it offers a wide range of design tools, including text styles, background shapes, and images that you can use to create your design. Now that we have the Elements tab open, type the letters you want to work with. Think about the word or phrase you would like to come to life with an image. This step is where your creativity begins to unfold, as you can choose whether you'd like to write a short word or even an inspirational quote. With your text on the screen, tap on See All to explore all available text options. This will give you a comprehensive view of different fonts and text styles, so you can choose one that best fits your design concept. Look for bold or chunky font styles, since these will work well for filling with images. Once you've picked your font and adjusted the letters on the canvas to look just how you want them, it's time to head over to the Uploads tab on the side panel. This is where you can access images that you might have previously uploaded to Canva, or if you haven't yet, now is the time to upload your chosen photo. Simply click on Uploads and choose the image file from your device. With your image uploaded, the magical part begins. You're going to drag and drop this image directly over the letters you created earlier. Canva will automatically fill the text with your chosen photo, giving it a dynamic and personalized appearance. Make sure to adjust the image if needed so that the portion you want is visible in your text. And there you have it, a simple yet impactful way to merge text and images into a stunning visual using Canva. Remember, you can experiment with different fonts and photos to see what works, or even try combining multiple images for a collage effect inside the text. This technique is not only easy and fast, but also a fantastic way to customize your designs to make them truly unique. Keep practicing and unleash your inner designer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.